Well, the meter, kilogram, and second are not always the most convenient units to use for a given measurement. We'd like to have really big and really small units available. And so that takes us to the topic of the prefixes. You should know, and there will be a little quiz on Wednesday of the second week of the semester where these prefixes will be tested. So you can learn them. In Appendix F, the prefixes are also talked about. These are the particular ones that I need you to know. You need to memorize these. It's time you knew them by heart. So the factor of 10 to the minus 12 is referred to with the prefix pico, which is abbreviated with a small p. 10 to the minus 9 is nano, small n. On the quiz, you need to spell the units, the prefixes correctly. 10 to the minus 6. You also need to know the power of 10 and the abbreviation. Micro, which is abbreviated with a Greek letter, lowercase Greek letter mu. If you want to amaze your friends, as long as they're not Greek, go to Appendix C and study the Greek alphabet. Physicists use lots of Greek letters. 10 to the minus 3 is milli, which is abbreviated with a little m. 10 to the minus 2 is centi, little c. Now for quantities that are bigger than the base units, 10 to the 3 is kilo, little k. 10 to the 6th is mega, which is abbreviated with a capital M. 10 to the 9th is giga, capital G. And 10 to the 12th is tera, with a big T. For example, 1 picosecond is 10 to the minus 12 seconds. We attach the prefix to one of the base units in order to get a more convenient unit for our purposes. I have a couple of cautions or notes about this. First note is not all combinations of prefixes and units are commonly used. And you just need to go by experience to know what is considered commonly used and what would be just considered kind of weird. For example, nobody says kiloseconds. And a more serious matter is the kilogram. Kilogram is the only base unit that already has a prefix. Gram is not the base unit, but we attach the prefixes to gram. So here's why that's an issue. Warning. We will get familiar with the idea that a millimeter is 10 to the minus 3 times the base unit of meter, but if someone talks to you about milligrams, you shouldn't immediately think 10 to the minus 3. It's not 10 to the minus 3 of the kilogram, it's 10 to the minus 3 of the gram. It's actually 10 to the minus 6 kilograms. So watch out for milligrams and micrograms and things like that.